Hello guys, welcome back to Loose and Natural again. I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe at home in these days. So in this video, I'm gonna make you feel more loose and more natural by sharing a most vital topic with you, which is completely natural and completely free. So today, I'm going to have some communion regarding sunbathing and what exactly the relationship is there between the sun and us. So watch the video till the end to know complete details about how we can heal our natural system and how we can heal everything using sunbathing technique. So let's start. The whole solar family is born out of the sun. The moon, Mars, Jupiter and the rest of the planets, including this earth, all are the organic part of the sun. A man is an organic part of the earth and the earth is an organic part of the sun. It is like a mother who has a daughter and in turn who also has a daughter. And in all three of them the same blood flows and their bodies are made up of similar cells. Out of the sun the earth is born and out of the earth our bodies are born. Quite interesting. And far away the sun is our greatest grandparent. Whatever happens on the sun, it creates a vibration in every cell of our bodies. It must be that way because our cells are born out of the sun. In every element of our blood and in every particle of our bones, there live a small amount of atoms of the sun. The sun appears to be a great distance away, but it is not so far. We are the part of the sun, so it is no wonder that our lives are influenced by the sun. There is a sort of empathy between us and the sun. If we understand this empathy rightly, we can heal our body, mind and soul easily. So if we sunbath every day, we can heal our body perfectly. Sunlight has been the biological need for us humans. Sunlight is the original medicine. In our Vedic Indian texts, it is said that the sun can heal everything. Sunlight was used to beat wounds. Sunlight was used as an antiseptic. In Germany, during World War I, sunlight was used to treat wounds of the gunshot soldiers. Instead of wrapping wounds with bandage, they exposed the wounded area to the sun. Sunlight was used as an antiseptic to clean up the wound. And in Italy, they made sunlit hospitals to treat the patients with sunlight. That means you can know how sunlight is a powerful source of energy that can do everything. Sunbathing is essential for cleaning your internal body. So it's the best time to sunbath in early morning or evening because we need the light of the sun, not the heat of the sun. It's best to sunbath with no clothes or wear as little clothes as possible. Or you can also wear white cotton clothes. While sunbathing, remember to express your gratitude towards sun. Feel that sunrays enters your body, mind and soul and healing you. Feel that healing, feel that refreshment. It will be so nice. When you feel uncomfortable, you can stop your sunbath. There is no problem with that. And after all, there are millions of benefits of sunbathing. Let's talk about the benefits of the sunbathing. So few people have questions regarding why to sunbath every day. Here's your answer. Sunlight makes us feel happier. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant. Sunlight is essential to maintain skin health also. Sunlight is the only source of energy which is 100% uncontaminated. Sunlight helps absorb nutrients in your food. It delivers healing into the joints. It makes the digestive fire stronger. And sunlight dissolves mucus. Sunlight affects secretion of insulin. And the most common thing that everybody wants is to detox. And sunlight is the powerful detoxifier. During a sunbath, blood circulation is increased and hence toxins and impurities in your blood are circulated and finally excreted through sweat and urine. After sunbathing, your urine may turn yellow. That's a sign of more toxins being released from your body. Therefore, you must sunbath for at least 30 minutes every day. Sunlight is also a natural disinfectant. It removes all bad bacteria, mold, fungus stuck inside. It is also important for repairing human bone and keeping us happy. Let's go to the conclusion. As a society, we have started fearing the sun. But where do this fear come from? It's the cosmetic and pharmaceutical companies that infuse this fear in our society for selling their products. You may have seen in some of the products it is written that keep away from direct sunlight and store it in a cool and dry place. These are the perfect examples of this. Our ancestors did quite well without it. So, from an indoor generation, we have to become an outdoor generation. We have to let the sunlight back into our lives again. So, please enjoy the sun as much as possible. Be more loose and more natural.